Now question number 3 deals with multiplication of rational number. It's basic how we multiply fractions. So see this, whenever we are going to multiply a fraction, we do not see denominators. Now in this one we won't be seeing whether the denominators are same or not. Directly we will multiply. Also second thing, we have to see whether it can be reduced or not. So 3 by 11, 2 by 5 can't be reduced. If this way it can't be reduced, we have to see diagonally. 3 by 5, 2 by 11. Again it can't be reduced. So we will directly multiply numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator, which is 6 by 55. And that's it. Let's see second sum. 12 by 5, 4 by 15. Again I said we won't be seeing any denominators, like whether they are same or not, because we are doing multiplication and not addition or subtraction. So we will see whether it can be reduced or not. So 12 by 5 can't be reduced, 4 by 15 can't be reduced. So let's see diagonally, 12 and 15. Yes, it can be reduced. This comes in 3's table, 3 4s are 3 5s are. Now let's multiply numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. That is 16 upon 25. Third sum. Okay, we can see that 3 by 9 can be reduced diagonally. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 3s are. Also this 4 1s are 4 2s are. Now this was negative 8, so we have to write here negative 2. So minus 2 into 1 upon 3 into 1 will give us negative 2 upon 3. Sum number 4. Now see this, 0 by 6 is 0 and anything multiplied by 0 is 0. It's very easy. Let's come on to multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means we have to write reciprocal of given fraction, but directly don't don't put equal to and write 5 by 2. No, we have to write this multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 equal to 5 by 2. Write this statement. Don't write directly equal to and write 5 by 2. No. Next, minus 3 by 8. So multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 8 is minus 8 by 3. Next, multiplicative inverse of minus 17 upon 36 is minus 36 upon 17. Minus will be in numerator only, it won't go in denominator. Next, fourth one is 7. So multiplicative inverse, when there is no number in denominator, it's 1. Okay, so multiplicative inverse of 7 is 1 by 7. It's 1, so we reciprocate it. Last one, minus 7 1 by 3. Now this we have to first convert it. So 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. So minus 22 upon 3. Now let's write its multiplicative inverse. Minus 22 by 3 is minus 3 by 22. So we are done. Question number 5. Carry out divisions of rational numbers. Now when we are doing division, first fraction remains same. First rational number same, division changes to multiplication and we will write the multiplicative inverse, means the reciprocal. Now let us see whether it can be reduced or not, and then we will proceed. So yes, 10 ones are 10 fours are, 4 ones are 4 threes are. Now it can't be reduced further, so 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are in denominator. Final answer is 4 by 3. Second sum. First rational number as it is, division changes to multiplication, and we write reciprocal. Okay, sorry, this will be in numerator. Yeah. So it can't be reduced, as we can see, hence we have to multiply. So 10 tens are 100, minus into minus, plus 11 elevens are 121. Third sum, minus 7 by 8 divided by minus 3 by 6. First rational number as it is, this changes to multiplication, and this will change to minus 6 by 3. This can be reduced, 1s are 2s are, minus 2, okay. Again, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So what's in numerator? Minus 7 into minus 1 upon 4 into 1. So final answer is 7 ones are 7, minus minus plus, 4 ones are 4. Fourth sum, 2 by 3 as it is, minus 4 will be converted into minus 1 by 4, reciprocal. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 1 into minus 1 upon 3 into 2. This gives us minus 1 by 6. Let's see next sum. Okay, here mixed fractions are there, so hence we have to convert it. 5 twos are 10, plus 1, 11 by 5. 6 fives are 30, plus 3, 33 by 6. Now let's do the reciprocal part. Yes, we can reduce. 11 ones are 11 threes are. Again we can reduce it. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 1 twos are 2, 5 ones are 5. Sixth sum. First fraction as it is, and then we will write the reciprocal. Yes, 13 ones are 13 twos are. So minus 5 into 2 upon 1 into 7, minus 10 by 7. Now seventh sum and eighth sum are for homework.